Ledger preparation. Example. Let's have a look at an example of ledger preparation and understand how the ledger accounts are actually prepared. Here are some basic business transactions, on the basis of which we will be preparing individual ledger accounts. 1st July, commenced business. 2nd July, deposited cash into bank. 3rd July, purchased goods for cash. 4th July, sold goods on credit. 5th July, paid rent. 6th July, received cash from Mohan. 7th July, purchased furniture. 8th July, paid salaries. 9th July, withdrew cash for personal use. And 10th July, received commission. Let's pass journal entries of these transactions. First entry is cash account debited to capital account with amount 1 lakh rupees on both sides, debit and credit. Second is bank account debited to cash account. Next, purchases account debited to cash account. Next, Mohan account debited to sales account. Next, rent account debited to cash account. Next, cash account debited to Mohan account. Next, furniture account debited to cash account. Next, salaries account debited to cash account. Next, drawings account debited to cash account. And last entry, cash account debited to commission account. The total of debit side should always be equal to total of credit side. Here total is 2,68,000. Let's prepare ledger accounts one by one. Here you can see cash account. In debit side, to capital account is written with the amount as capital was introduced in the business with cash. As cash was received by Mohan on 6th July, so here to Mohan is written in debit side. Commission received on 10th July will be entered here as to commission with amount 2,000 rupees. Now the credit side, first entry is by bank because cash was deposited in the bank on 2nd July. Next, by purchases, 50,000 for the purchases made. Next, by rent, 5,000 rupees as rent was paid with cash. Next, by furniture account, 10,000 because furniture was purchased with cash. Next we have by salary, 8,000 rupees for salary paid by cash. Next, by drawings account with rupees 3,000 as cash was withdrawn for personal use on 9th July. At last, totaling of both the sides are done and the difference amount is written as by balance carried down with amount 16,000 in credit side in this ledger account. Now, cash ledger account is completed. Next we have capital account in credit side by cash is written as capital was introduced in the business, and at last, this account is balanced by writing the difference amount is written in debit side as to balance carried down. Now, bank account to cash account with 50,000 rupees is entered in debit side as cash was deposited in bank account and the account is balanced by writing the difference amount. Purchases account, here, the entry is to cash account with 30,000 and the account is closed by writing the difference amount. Similarly, sales ledger account is prepared with the entry by Mohan 40,000 in credit side as goods were sold to Mohan on credit. Mohan account, in this account, to sales account, is written in debit side. Cash was paid by Mohan on 6th July, so the entry will be in credit side as by cash 20,000 rupees. Rent account, here we have to cash account with 5,000 rupees and the account was balanced with the difference amount. Furniture account, here we enter to cash account with 10,000 rupees in debit side. Salaries account, in debit side to cash account, 8,000 is entered. Drawings account, in this account to cash is entered with amount 3,000 rupees in debit side. Last we have commission account, here by cash with 2,000 amount is written in credit side, and this account is also balanced like all the previous ledger accounts. These were all the ledger accounts prepared for that given set of business transactions. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.